So guys, patikimin natin ng pinakupsan sa Bisaya, pinakupsan na baboy. Ito siya. Let's go to my she still like it. Good morning world. Good morning guys.
Morning.
We have visitors today. My mother-in-law. So magluluto ako ng pork barbecue ribs. So ribs guys, barbecue ribs. So meron din tayong pinakupsan dito guys. Mga taba-taba, ayan. Lutuin lang natin sa sariling mantika guys. Alam niyo na pag mga Bisaya kayo, sa mga nanonood ng mga Bisaya diyan, alam niyo na to, pinakupsan sa Bisaya. Iwan ko kung anong tawag dito sa Tagalog. Basic ano na to? Basic ingredients, asin lang tsaka black pepper. Pepper. Alright? Okay guys. Mamaya gagawa ko ng video mamaya ulit. Stay tuned. So ito na siya ngayon guys. Medyo lumiit na siya. So maya ulit. Ready na to. Okay. So after 1 hour guys, luto na yung pinakupsan na sa Bisaya pa. Iwan ko kung anong tawag dito sa Tagalog. So luto na siya guys. Maalala ko dati na pag tuwing pista sa amin, fiesta, ito laging simple lang kasi pagkaluto nito dahil asin lang tsaka paminta. Kaya dito na sila ngayon guys, yung mga biyenan ko na British. So patikimin natin kung magustuhan ba nila yung traditional na pinakupsan. Yeah. Alright guys, panoorin natin to. Let's go. So guys, patikimin natin ng pinakupsan sa Bisaya, pinakupsan na baboy. Ito siya. So my mother-in-law and father-in-law is here. So
Hello.
I will let them try this pinakupsang baboy.
What if I don't like
It's pinakupsang baboy.
Do you just
Pina?
eat it all?
Huh?
Do you eat the whole thing?
Yeah, like this. Like this.
That's quite nice.
Yeah, I can see by your face you like it.
It's not spicy.
Not spicy.
Just salt and pepper. Pork slice.
No.
What do you think is spicy?
Belly pork.
Yeah. Belly pork.
Do you think it's spicy, man?
No, it's not.
No, a bit
You want to try?
chilly.
What do you think, mom?
Well,
Verdict? Any verdict?
I like the top bit.
But-
This is going to sound awful, but you know
No, it's
what
alright,
I
just-
like over fat.
Just be
Yeah, I
honest.
don't
And
like
so I don't like the fatty bit, but I like the top bit.
Be honest.
Toasted?
Do you
Yeah.
like this bit? I
You
like
like
because
the-
it's meat.
You like the fat one?
It's
It's
like
meaty,
this.
that one.
No, but like that bit, that's
Yeah.
the fatty bit. But that's nice.
Hmm.
I would eat this again, but just peel off the fat.
So she likes guys, but she don't like the top part.
I might be fat, but I don't like fat.
Alright. Let's go to my. She still like it. All right, I will get another one for
like
my
it.
wife and for Dad Martin.
Well, they're sort of the same like that, aren't they? I think.
Marami to guys ang niluto ko na pinakupsang baboy
Every packet of ham in the supermarket because it's fatty.
Yeah, me and Jay always have a good deal. Any gammon, steak, anything. I always chop around it. He gets my fat and I get more than me.
Oh yeah, that's what I do.
This is when you eat this one, you need to eat straight away the
Yeah.
whole thing. All right, pick one.
No, I do mine first.
No, I don't like this.
This is starting.
Okay, let me try it.
Right, my Dad Martin, we're gonna try the pinakupsang baboy.
Pinakupsang Baboy. Is that right?
I like it.
Yeah?
He likes fat, you see.
I don't know, but
Oh,
Don't
he
you
loves
want
it. He loves it.
If I give him some roast pork or something and it's got fat on, it's nice, isn't it?
She loves it, guys.
I like the thingy bit.
Okay, that one, yeah.
Yeah, that's this one.
She likes it. She loves it.
I like this bit. Martin, he'll eat the fat. This
All right.
is good. Very, very good.
Masarap.
10 out of 10.
Si masarap.
Say masarap.
Ma
Ma,
sa
sa,
rap.
masarap.
Masarap.
Oh. Masarap. Martin, you've got to say masarap.
Say
Masarap.
masarap.
I'm the same as mum.
masala.
Huh?
I'm the same as mum. Like I really like it, but I don't like the fat parts.
Yeah, even me, I don't
Yeah,
really like
whenever
the
we
fat
eat
one.
anything, whether it's gammon or
Yeah.
steak, I always chop around it, and Jay gets
And
my
me.
fat,
Yeah.
and I get more meat.
God. I'm gonna go home like a big fat pig. Thank you.
So fat.
Yeah, just get the one only on the top.
But the top's the fat as well.
Right, guys.
Hiya.
Kain na na. We will eat.
Tea. Lovely ribs, Jay. Lovely ribs.
No problem. Enjoy, guys, and bon appetit.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. So, ayun guys. Katapos lang namin kumain at pa-chill-chill na ngayon. At maya-maya uwi na yan sila papuntang Portsmouth. 30 minutes drive galing dito pauwi doon sa Portsmouth. Ayun guys, kunting update lang. Nagustuhan ni mother-in-law at father-in-law ko yung pinakupsang baboy. Masarap daw. Kasi alam mo ba yung sikreto ko doon? Maraming bitsin. Hindi. Hindi, kunting lang to. Walang bitsin yun guys. Ano lang yung nilagay ko noon? Asin, tsaka paminta. Yun lang. Walang toyo, wala. Pero yung iba, nilalagyan ng toyo yon. Pero sa akin, hindi ko nilagyan ng toyo. Medyo nasunog na ngayon, pero masarap pa rin. At yung pork ribs barbecue, masarap din, juicy din daw. Kaya, yun. Nagustuhan nila yung pagkain Pinoy. Susunod naman ulit pag kung ano naman ang maisipan kong lutuin. Kasi mapili din to sila sa pagkain minsan. Kaya binabagay ko lang kung ano yung nila, niluluto ko. Kung ano yung hilig nila na kainin, yun lang niluluto ko muna. Hindi ko muna sila pinapakain ng mga exotic kasi dandahanin muna natin. Hindi muna natin biglain mapakainin ng ng balot. Sa sunod siguro kung ano nung mapag-isipan ko, yun naman na ipakain natin guys. O di kaya kung bisita kami doon sa sa bahay nila, karamihan kasi kadalasan pala pag pupunta kami sa bahay nila, English food yung kinakain namin. So pag dito sila sa bahay namin, ako naman yung bahala kung anong ipakain ko sa kanila. So ayun. Yun lang guys, at maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo. At sa sunod uli, shoutout sa inyong lahat pala. Sana okay lang kayo at mag-ingat tayo palagi. Laban lang!